Before the year ends, let's take a look at the transformative changes that have happened in the global markets in the past year. 2024 witnessed the extraordinary rise of Nvidia, symbolizing the AI industry's impact on the global markets. The company achieved a historic milestone in June, briefly becoming the world's most valuable company, surpassing both Microsoft and Apple. What makes this achievement particularly remarkable is the pace of growth. While Microsoft and Apple took about 6 years to move from 1 trillion to 3 trillion in the market cap, Nvidia accomplished this feat in just 1 year. The company's stock value has multiplied tenfold since the late 2022 and nearly tripled in 2024 alone. This meteoric rise can be attributed to two key factors. Firstly, the first mover advantage in the powerful GPU development, and secondly, their positioning as a key hardware provider. Indian funds also significantly benefited from this surge, with many including Nvidia in their portfolio. The year's most significant market mover came from the political arena with Donald Trump's return to the US presidency. It triggered substantial market reactions. The Dow Jones Industrial Average responded with a dramatic 1,500-point surge as investors anticipated business-friendly policies, lower tax rates, and deregulation measures. His presidency also had an unexpected beneficiary, which is the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin shattered previous records, soaring to $105,000, partly driven by speculation around Trump's proposed Bitcoin Strategic Reserve Fund. This development marked a significant shift in cryptocurrency's journey from the financial fringe to mainstream acceptance. India's financial markets also reached several milestones in 2024, with the country emerging as a major beneficiary of the global supply chain diversification. A Bain & Company survey revealed that 39% of CXOs were relocating their operations from China to the Indian subcontinent, marking a substantial shift in the global manufacturing dynamics. The Sensex breached 82,000 while the Nifty scaled 25,000, making historic highs. However, this bull run was short-lived. Political uncertainty emerged following the BJP's loss of the parliamentary majority. In 2024 Indian general elections, Prime Minister Modi's BJP secured 240 seats only, falling short of the 272-seat majority required in the Lok Sabha. This led to the formation of a coalition government. The markets responded, with Nifty closing at 5.93% down, and the Sensex was down by 5.74%, which was the lowest in the last 4 years. The Adani Group saga continues. Following the devastating impact of the Hindenburg Research's initial 2023 report, which wiped out $100 billion in market value of the group, they showed surprising stability when faced with their second report. The Adani Enterprises stock declined only 3% this time. It was indicted by the US government because of the charges of fraud and bribery of $250 million. The US government came into the picture because they were trying to raise money for financing their solar deals. The Indian government made landmark tax reforms this year. The basic exemption limit increased from 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs under the new tax regime. Short-term capital gain tax on listed equity shares and equity-oriented funds increased from 15% to 20%. This reduced the profit for arbitrage traders and fund managers. Long-term capital gains exemption limit rose from 1 lakh to 1.25 lakhs annually, with the tax rate also increasing from 10% to 12.5%. The new tax regime eliminated the need for maintaining travel tickets and rent receipts, simplifying the process. The indexation benefits were also discontinued. The mutual fund industry witnessed unprecedented growth. Assets under management crossed 50 lakh crores, and the SIP contributions reached a record of 18,838 crore monthly. Large cap mutual funds delivered impressive returns, with 14 out of 30 funds generating over 20% returns. The top performing funds this year were Mirae Asset NYSE FANG Plus ETF Fund of Fund, Mirae Asset S&P 500 Top 50 ETF Fund of Fund, Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, LIC Mutual Fund Infrastructure Fund, and Motilal Oswal ELSS Tax Saver Fund. Moving on to BRICS expansion. Saudi Arabia, UAE, Egypt, Ethiopia, and Iran to BRICS marked a significant shift in global economic power dynamics. This expansion represents a growing challenge to traditional Western-dominated financial systems. BRICS nations have discussed creating a common currency to reduce their dependency on the US dollar for trade and finance. Though still in development, the proposed currency would promote bilateral trade in local currencies, strengthening financial sovereignty and regional integration. But Trump threatens 100% tariff on BRICS countries if they pursue creating a new currency any further. India's UPI system went global, expanding to 7 countries, including France, UAE, and Singapore. This expansion demonstrates the growing influence of emerging market financial innovations on the global stage. The volume of UPI-based digital payments in the South Asian country was over 131 billion in the financial year 2024. This was a significant increase from the previous financial year's value of around only 83 billion. India also emerged as a global IPO powerhouse, raising $14 billion in 2024, second only to the United States. Notable successes included Swiggy's 11,300 crore public issue, ACME Solar's 2,900 crore share sale. Overall fundraising amounted to 1.19 lakh crore, surpassing the 2021 record. Gold maintained its appeal of a safe haven asset, reaching rupees 78,650 per 10 gram amid the ongoing Russia-Ukraine tensions and the global uncertainty. At the beginning of 2024, gold was trading at approximately rupees 63,000 per 10 gram on the 24th of January. Throughout the year, the price of gold experienced significant growth. It reached a high of 79,507 per 10 gram on the 12th of December 2024. This increase represents a substantial rise of about 24.84% over that period. Looking ahead as we move forward, several trends deserve continued attention. The potential of AI-driven business transformation, the impact of US political policies on the global markets, the evolution of cryptocurrency regulations and adoption, the growing influence of emerging markets in global finance, and also the continued normalization of investing through digital platforms. The events of 2024 has created new opportunities and challenges for investors worldwide. As we look to 2025, the combination of political developments, technological innovation, and market dynamics will continue to drive significant changes in the market. Let us know in the comments which market trend impacted your portfolio the most. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends for some market nostalgia, and subscribe to Invest My Paisa. Check out our video on the hidden tax benefits of mutual funds.